Hey drivers, this is Andrew, ThirdCoastRC here in Houston, and today we're going to talk to you a little bit about a vintage RC car. Right here we've got this 1985 Kyosho Gallop. It's a Mark 1 Gallop, and the cool thing about this car, one is, it's really old. It's also got four-wheel drive, chain drive. So it's got a chain that goes from a gear, a slave gear off the motor, that comes all the way down to the front and drives the front drive shaft. So four-wheel drive, but really cool chain-driven four-wheel drive system. And the other thing that this car's got is it's got four-wheel steering. So what we're going to do is I'm going to turn it on here and we're going to show you. This car is in really good condition. There's no damage to it, there's no parts missing. The only thing we've done to it is we removed the mechanical speed controller and put an electronic one in here, a brushed electronic speed controller, and we changed the servo for a more modern servo and put a 2.4 gigahertz radio system in here. So it doesn't have the original radio or the original speed controller fitted, but we do have the original speed controller and it does work. But those old mechanical ones are kind of funky, the electronic ones are so much better. So it's got the original wheels and tires on here with the Mudstar. It's in really good shape. You can see there's a few light scratches on the bottom, but nothing major here. It's in real good condition. We installed a 540 19-turn motor, but I've put a real small pinion gear in here. This car's not going to go very fast right now, because I didn't want to put it under too much strain being so old. I mean, this is really, I'm going to baby it. And Binksy! It's my dog, just messing about over there. Come on over here, Binksy. Alright, I don't want to go too near the road. So what we're going to do is going to turn it on. Yep, so it's on. Let me just show you the four-wheel steering here. So you can see the front wheels turn, but you see how the back wheels turn in the opposite direction to the front wheels to give that tighter turning radius. So that's a real cool, it's a purely mechanical system, but it's really cool. So we put this car on the ground, and for a car that's what, 35 years old, I think it's going to run pretty good. So here we go. So that's full speed with this setup. I've got a little nickel metal hydride battery in there. Like I say, I could go way more in the pinion in this car, but I just don't want to put it under too much stress. It's actually going to be selling this car. These cars don't ever come up, not these Mark 1s. The Mark 2s sometimes come up, but not the Mark 1s. So it's a real cool little car. So we'll drive it around a little bit more. Let me call my dog over here. Binksy, come here, boy. Alright, good. So it scoots around. Like I say, you could increase the gearing at least 50% on this car. I've got it turned way down right now just because I don't want to put it under too much strain. Just want to drive it around, baby it. This is a 35-year-old vintage RC car. They're very rare. The value of this car is high. There's a lot of Kyosho collectors out there who are looking for cars in pretty much original condition, and you don't get one much better than these. So four-wheel drive, chain drive, four-wheel steer, full function, forward, reverse, left and right. It's really awesome. So thanks for watching this video. Check us out on Facebook, ThirdCoastRC, also on Instagram, ThirdCoastRC. We'll see you next time. Thank you.